Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your web history in Gmail. This is a useful skill if you want to track your Google activity, check past searches, or simply manage your data more effectively. Following these steps, you'll be able to view your web and app activity with ease. First, open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, or another browser, as long as you can access Google services. Once it's open, head over to your Gmail account. You can type in the URL directly or select it from your bookmarks. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your Google account to proceed. Once you're in Gmail, look at the top right corner of the page where your account profile icon appears. Click on your profile icon to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your Google account settings where you can control privacy, security, and data management. Next, navigate to the Data and Privacy tab. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage all the information associated with your account. Scroll down until you find Web and App Activity. This area keeps track of all your interactions with Google services. Click on it to continue. Now click on Manage all web and app activity. Here you'll get a detailed view of everything Google has recorded, organized by day and time. You can browse through your searches, check websites you visited, or find specific entries that you want to review. This makes it easy to retrace your steps on the web or ensure your activity is stored the way you prefer. By following these steps, you've successfully accessed your web history linked to Gmail. You can now review, manage, and understand your activity more clearly. Exploring these tools can help you stay organized, maintain privacy, and make the most out of your Google account. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy Gmail tips.